Whilst it is lovely to stick to Christmas traditions, it's also kind of nice to mix things up a little bit. So this year, why not swap out that Christmas pudding for a cheesecake? Air fried, of course. This Christmas raspberry and mango cheesecake is fresh, fruity and tastes like summer, whilst also giving a nod to traditional Christmas with the use of my Cheats cheesecake base. Let me show you how. What I've got here is a store-bought light fruit cake. Simply slice the cake into 1 centimetre thick squares. Arrange them in a lined Philips Airfryer baking tray or cake tin, cutting the pieces to get a snug fit. Drizzle with a little bit of rum. I'm using coconut rum, or if you're making this for the kids, use pineapple juice instead. And look, if fruitcake isn't your thing, that's absolutely fine. You can swap it out for a Madeira cake or sponge finger biscuits, or have no base at all. For the cheesecake filling, we just simply beat cream cheese until it's smooth. Add icing sugar, then eggs. These are what make the cheesecake rich and silky. Then add vanilla. And keep beating until smooth. Spoon the cream cheese mixture over the top of the cake and then smooth the surface. To give the cake a glorious raspberry swirl, simply squash and smush thawed frozen raspberries until pulpy. Drizzle it over the top and then use a fork to swirl it through the filling. And that's it. It is ready to be air fried. And look at it, already it looks truly magnificent. Set the Philips Essential XL air fryer, temperature to 155 degrees and the time to 40 minutes. Press the start button to begin cooking and instantly the cooking begins. The cake should be slightly puffed, golden and still have a slight wobble in the centre. Don't worry, it will set firmly once it has cooled. Now, as tempting as it might be to dive in right away, we actually need to pop it into the fridge for an hour or overnight so it can set and cool. When you're ready to serve, top it with luscious swirls of cream, ribbons of mango, plump juicy raspberries, and a scatter of mint leaves. A stress-free make-ahead dessert that your guests are gonna go crazy for on Christmas Day. And maybe, just maybe, you might have started a brand new Christmas dessert tradition. For more recipes and inspiration, download the free Philips NutriU app. It's free to download, and with over 500 recipes, you're sure to find just the recipe you need.